Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get all Mac OS desktop looks in any modern Mac computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my latest Mac OS desktop looks. So in order to get the old Mac OS desktop looks, what you need to do is just open any web browser. And in the Google search for Retro Mac, and the first you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now just click on this download option. Now click on this download Retro Mac. So find the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to run this software installer. Now just drag this Retro Mac to this application folder to install it. So finally it has been installed. Now you can close it. Now just click on this apps icon. You can see here the application Retro Mac. Just click on it. Now click on open. So now just click on this none of this, and now you can see on the menu bar one icon is appearing. Just click on it. Now you can see the various options here, right? So just click on this icon. You can see here it will convert the desktop looks. So you can click on this button. Now you can select the different options, whichever options you want to select. So there is a Windows XP, Windows 98, Mac OS 9.2 Classic, Mac OS X, Snow Leopard. So we're gonna choose this Mac OS 9.2. So now you can see here the old Mac OS desktop looks. So you can see below the dock bars, and if you want to change it again, just click on this icon and you can select the Mac OS X style. So you can see here. So when the docks are completely working, as you can see, and if you click on it again, you can see more options here. So you can just apply those looks only for dock only, or you can change the shutter options. So you can see here tons of options here, whichever you want to select. Virtual camera options, Apple logo rainbow. So you can select tons of options here. If you want a Windows style looks, then you can just select the Windows XP style. So you can see here Windows XP style. Also you can get it, and if you want to exit this all looks, then just click on this button again and click on this quit button, then it will get quit. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily get old Mac OS desktop looks in any modern Mac computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.